in Islam, التعدد, what is known as marrying multiple wives, is it a sunnah? Is it something that's recommended? Or is it something that is permissible? You're allowed to do it, you're allowed to practice it, but it's not an act which is sunnah. Which one is it? The view that inshallah ta'ala I want to display today, inshallah ta'ala, in this session, and that I want to encourage for people who want to look further into it, inshallah ta'ala, is that it is an act which is permissible. So it's allowed, but not as the questioner here is putting it, where it's recommended, it's a sunnah, and that's not the case. And a lot of you today, inshallah ta'ala, are going to, bi'idhnillahi al-kareem, watch this video. And if you do watch this video, you've received from me right now a general answer. And I've said that the default position, the asl of marrying multiple wives, is an act which is permissible, but it's not an act which is sunnah. It's not a recommended act. And a lot of brothers, this is what they say to their spouses and their partners: I'm going to revive a sunnah, I'm going to practice the sunnah. And the view that I'm inshallah going to display is that it's not a sunnah. It's actually an act which is permissible. Just like eating is permissible, sleeping is permissible, walking is permissible. All of those are acts which are permissible, but they're not acts which you would say that they are recommended. Okay?